Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by taking 3 immediate, high-impact actions. First, set the thermostat to 24-26 degrees C. This reduces runtime while keeping you comfortable. Second, seal drafts around windows and doors. Once done, the AC moves air more efficiently, which lowers energy use. Third, clean or replace the filter and confirm vents are clear so airflow isn't restricted. These steps cut wasted cooling and let the system run fewer cycles. Do them now before deeper adjustments. You now optimize how the system operates and how you live with it. Install a programmable or smart thermostat and create temperature setbacks for unoccupied times. This reduces compressor runtime and energy bills. Use ceiling or portable fans to improve perceived cooling. That lets you raise thermostat settings by 3 to 4 degrees without discomfort. Shade sun-exposed windows with blinds or reflective film to cut heat gain. Together, these tactics lower peak load and extend equipment life, which saves energy and money. You finish by verifying system health and knowing one key fix. Clear zero. 1M around the outdoor unit so airflow isn't blocked. Debris causes higher energy draw. Schedule an annual professional tune-up to test refrigerant levels and clean coils, because dirty coils reduce efficiency. If the unit short cycles or won't reach set point, make sure the thermostat isn't near heat sources and listen for weak capacitor sounds. These symptoms explain why the compressor overworks and point to targeted repairs you can address quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.